The cab, it has different drive modes. It has Smart, Save and Pure EV.
I use Pure EV virtually most of the day.
Changing the drive modes is ideal for me because I can save the charge till I'm in London.
To be honest, now I just use smart mode the whole time. If I'm doing a journey on a motorway, I will put it on a petrol, which is the save mode.
I think as an individual driver, I think we all find the best way that suits us.
I work nights, so the vehicle will be discharged from the night before. So I'll take it down to my local charge point because I can't charge at home. I'll leave it there for a few hours, come back, pick it up, go to work, drive it. Most of my shift, 80% of my shift will be on the electric, finish off on the range extender, come home.
I've got a home charger, which is on my front drive. Takes probably about 4.5 hours to charge. So in the morning, the cab's always got a full charge.
I've got a home charger. It's linked to Wi-Fi, so I can tell to the actual kilowatt how much I'm using.
You don't have to keep going to the petrol station every day. When I had a diesel, every single day, every morning before I go to work, I'd fill up with diesel. I never do that now.
I can't charge at home, and I've got nowhere near me at home. The closest charge point to where I live is about 10 miles away. So I've had to change my working day. I would have charged the night before on my way home and then used that power to drive around town.
I come down into the city airport to start in the mornings, and I come down on Save, which is the petrol mode.
I use it in Save mode to get me into town, and then I will put it onto either Smart or Pure EV.
And then I'll use my electric until it runs out, and then I'll use the generator.
The charge could last anything from 5 to 7 hours.
If I get a certain job and I can look on the Zap map and see that there's a charger empty, I will then think, yeah, jump on that.
Plug that in on a 50 kilowatt charger. Normally takes a maximum of about 45 minutes, 50 minutes if you're completely empty.
And while it's charging, I'll have a little break.
I generally don't charge, if I'm honest with you, because I just want to get my money and go home. And it's like, that's for me.
My friends take the mechanics, I know where all the chargers are, and they'll ring me up and say, oh, go down, is there any decent chargers around that?
If one's empty and convenient where I am, and there's I can get a cup of coffee, then I'll do that.
If I'm not, I'll continue on the range extender, which means I'll be using petrol as well.
And I'll only ever charge for half an hour, 80%. I don't need the full charge on my second charge of the day.
99% of the time it gets me home, so I've not really used any petrol at all.
I hardly ever go to the petrol station. Like, if you were to check my cab now, I've got half a tank of petrol, and the last time I was in a petrol station was probably about 3.5 weeks ago.